Here are our ingredients for our Chicken Teriyaki Pineapple Bowl. We have our tricolor bell peppers of yellow, red, and orange, shredded carrots, pineapple, chicken, which is the star of the show, corn, our teriyaki marinade, soy sauce, broccoli, ginger and garlic paste, brown sugar, sesame oil, sesame seed, cornstarch, olive oil, Himalayan salt and black pepper, and avocado if you like. Okay, so I'm cutting some of our onions here, which I have some already cut. I cut some more down, just into thin slices. Just real thin slices. So then when you can't, you turn to the other side. When you're running out of space, remember to claw your fingers back. Super important so you don't chop your fingers. So we'll cut. And then now with my peppers, I remember when I was teaching my students, when they were working with peppers, they used to try to always cut it from the outside. And that's like with the waxy film. So you're gonna hurt yourself if you try to cut it that way. So obviously you want to cut your peppers from the inside where it's easier and smoother. And I'm trying to make these relatively thin as well. Hopefully you guys can see that. Move some of my sugar out the way and my sesame oil. Okay. Okay, just kind of get it to be thin. And everybody has their way, how they like to deseed their peppers. I'll show you my way, which I've done before, but it's the way that I like it. And it's the way that you can implement if it works for you. Okay, so these are already deseeded. Here's my yellow pepper, and I'll show you. I puncture. First, we take this off. Okay. I puncture down the stem. And while it's all the way down, then I cut the sides, since I'm going to be cutting them anyway. Kind of make like an incision so it opens up. And basically I dump the seeds over the bowl and I just pat it till it's clean, so I don't hear any seeds dropping off anymore. And that way I know that I've gotten all the seeds, because when you puncture down, all the seeds come on that stem. Okay, all the seeds are gone. It's clean. So that's the way I like to do my peppers. So I'm putting my olive oil in my pan right here so I can saute my vegetables. I'm going to add a tiny bit of the sesame. When I say tiny bit, guys, I mean tiny bit. Like that much. It's already permeating. I put my garlic, my ginger paste. Give it a squeeze. That I would say is a tablespoon. Tablespoon of ginger. I'm going to do a tablespoon of garlic as well. And then throw in our veggies in there. Yeah, a little garlic ain't never hurt nobody, honey. So if we have a little bit more. Garlic is good for your health, honey. If you have some hypertension, garlic will help you. So, flavor kind of going on here.
So this is just our olive oil, just a dash of sesame oil. I wish we had smell vision. You could definitely smell that sesame oil. Some garlic and some garlic paste and some ginger paste. I'm now putting my onions that I had chopped up with my colorful bell peppers and my carrots over here. Yep, all these veggies. Still gonna add my broccoli to and get my bench scraper. Pick up the rest of the goodies here. Get my bench scraper. Gonna add some butter. Here's my butter. And I'm gonna add just a pinch of black pepper. A little bit more than a pinch. And I'm gonna go with a pinch of Himalayan salt. I don't want to do too much, only because I'm getting ready to put some soy sauce and, you know, salty, and I don't want it to be salty. Okay, there we go. And move this around. And my soy sauce up here now that I've done this. Still got some of my other veggies, and put my broccoli in here. And just gonna let this steam up and cook up here. And yeah, my broccoli to the pot. Helping some cook down. Raise up my heat just a tad bit. Add my broccoli in here. Add my broccoli in there. Yeah, this is the veggies right here. Oh, doesn't that look beautiful? Just with the veggies alone, if you're someone who loves veggies. Okay. As this gets steamed up, then I'll just throw in my corn last. Just cover this up. And I'm gonna get my chicken out. Okay, I'm adding my corn. I have my gloves on. That's enough corn. Everything is all looking good now. So I'm gonna add my soy sauce to this. I think it's getting nice and ooh, look at all the veggies. Love it. Into our pan. Let's fill it here. Hear that wonderful sound of the searing. Let's move the oil on over a little bit here so it can even out.
Let's put our chicken in our pan. Do you hear the wonderful sound of the chicken searing? Oh, I wish you could smell how good this smells in here. So good. Let me see if I can get one more piece of chicken in here.
Turning our chicken. Letting it get a little color soaking up. That needs a little bit more time, I know. So these pieces over here need more time. Remember, you want to cook your chicken till the internal temperature reads 165. You're using a thermometer. I'm just going to add a little white wine to deglaze my pan with my chicken, my teriyaki chicken. Just let that, because I know it's not fully cooked inside yet, let that continue to soak up the goodness of the little wine I added with the teriyaki sauce. Put my lid on it. We'll be back. Okay, so for our teriyaki pineapple chicken, I am adding some pineapple juice and some pieces of pineapple. Wouldn't be pineapple without pieces of pineapple, right? So this is our teriyaki pineapple chicken. So I'm just gonna cover this up for just about 3 minutes, just so the pineapple can get, all the liquids can seep in together. Teriyaki and the pineapple can just marry together really quick, and we'll eat. Here we have our teriyaki stir-fried pineapple chicken. I used chicken breast because I like chicken breasts. I don't really like dark meat, but most people usually would probably use dark meat in this because they say it's juicier and everything. But I think chicken breast works just fine as well.
Here's our chicken teriyaki pineapple stir-fry bowl. I know that's a mouthful, but it's a mouthful of goodness. Look at the pineapples and the chicken, the rice with all the vegetables, the broccoli, the bell peppers, the carrots, the onions, the corn, just full of goodness. Our chicken teriyaki bowl has chicken, B6, B12, and niacin, broccoli, B1, B6, E, manganese, teriyaki sauce, B1, B3, B5, and B9, corn, B, C, and folate, yellow, red, and orange bell peppers, A, B2, B6, C, folate, niacin, and potassium, pineapple, B6, C, copper, folate, potassium, thiamine, manganese, avocado, B2, B3, B5, B6, C, E, K, folate, magnesium, potassium, and it's your healthy fat, and carrots, A, beta-carotene, biotin, and potassium. Real facts, 90% of food insecure individuals worry that their food supply will run out. This results in shrinking or even watering down their meals. To learn more, you can visit us at jdhcdc.org. Oh my goodness, can't wait to try this. Now, you can use dark meat if that's what you prefer. I prefer chicken breast, so that's what I have. Let me taste the chicken breast first. With the pineapple, let me get some pineapple here. The teriyaki with it, so good. And get my vegetables. Uh-oh. Get my peppers. Get my peppers on. Okay. All right. Let's see how we're going to do this. Nice and flavorful. Just teriyaki. Now, you can use brown rice, white rice, no rice at all. You can use another side dish if you want. Just use all vegetables. This is really good. It's really quick too.
This is really good. So, here's a quick call to action. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. We welcome you here with open arms and great big hugs. And you too can try this. Comment below and let me know if you try this and or if you added something different or you did the same thing. Would love to hear from you. I thank you for hanging out with me today virtually. While I eat this physically, you too can eat this physically too if you do it. And let me know how it turns out. Love you guys so much. And I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.